What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And so now the RedmiBook e-learning and the RedmiBook Pro has been launched in India. So should you consider buying these laptops? So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So very first off, let's start off with the RedmiBook e-learning edition. Now that e-learning edition has been mainly focused on the students and for the online classes and the office meetings if you are going into that thing, and that laptops comes with a base of an 256GB of an SSD and the Intel Core i3 11th generation processor. Now the maximum clock speed which you can get with this laptop is of 4.1 GHz, and this is a SATA SSD, so you will get a decent fast speed. But if you go towards the 512 NVMe SSD storage option, then that will give you even much more faster storage options in this laptop, and this comes with a 15.6 inch of a full HD screen. It's a 720p panel and not the full HD plus, which is a 1080p panel. Now what you also get with this laptop is that you will get a base storage RAM of an 8GB of RAM with a LPDDR4 RAM, and it's of 32 MHz frequency. Now note that the starting price of this laptop is for the 41,000 rupees, and which I felt is a bit of an overpriced, but considering that it's an i3 processor, it's a 11th generation i3 processor, then this price of this laptop has been decent and you can consider buying these. But you have a couple of thousand rupees more in your pocket, then you should go for the RedmiBook Pro. Now what difference between the RedmiBook Pro and the e-learning is about the processor, and it comes with the Intel i5 processor, which is a Tiger Lake processor from the 11th generation, and an integrated Iris Z graphics from the Intel. Now again it comes with the 8GB of DDR4 RAM, but the storage over here has been upgraded to 512 NVMe SSD storage. Though you can also get up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge with this on the RedmiBook Pro, but let's say that the actual capacity of the battery will be a bit on the lower side when by the company claims. The laptop comes with a 15.6 inch of full HD plus display, which is a plus over from the e-learning laptop, and not only that, it weighs under 2 kgs, and it also comes with the USB ports too. Now overall this laptop is a go, but if you are someone who is looking for the high intense task on this laptops, then these ones are not to go, as there are no kind of an external graphic cards with these laptops. But what you also get with the pre-booking offers and for the instant discount for these laptops, you get a HDFC Bank discount of 3,500 rupees. So effective price of the RedmiBook Pro becomes 46,500 rupees. So if you like this quick video about the RedmiBook Pro and the RedmiBook e-learning, so give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll bring you more such amazing tech videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.